In this video, we will demonstrate how to repair a broken kiln lid or bottom. Let's get started. This repair will use L&L's high-temperature brick cement, which you can find on our website, hotkilns.com. For this kind of repair, the cement should be watered down and have a reasonably liquid consistency. Start by loosening the hose clamps and removing the stainless steel band and angle clips. Separate the slab into its major sections along the largest cracks. Don't worry about saving small chips, they can be patched up later. Use a vacuum to remove loose dust and brick pieces from the large sections. A clean surface is essential for a proper bond. Drizzle the watered-down cement onto the broken edges, covering almost the entire surface. Press the two pieces together for several seconds. Repeat this process with all of the major sections. Once the slab has been cemented back together, replace the angle clips and steel band and retighten. After reassembling, carve out a channel along the cracks on the top of the slab. In this example, we are using the edge of a putty knife. Vacuum out all of the debris from the newly carved channel. Pour in the watered-down cement until the channel is filled. Don't worry about overflow. When the channel is completely filled, you can scrape off some of the excess cement. Save the semi-dry excess cement, as this will be used for patching in any voids. After a few minutes, the slab can be flipped over. Scrape off any excess that leaked through and then repeat the same channeling process on the underside. Use the semi-dry cement to patch in any remaining chips or gaps. After fully cementing and patching, allow the cement to dry for 24 hours, and then sand the faces smooth with 60 grit sandpaper. Make sure to use a vacuum and remove any dust after sanding. When finished, put the slab back onto your kiln and run a slow bisque fire to cone 5. That concludes our process for repairing broken lids and bottoms. For more kiln maintenance, repairs, and tutorials, be sure to visit L&L's website at hotkilns.com.